Hey y'all, it's the Plant Ninja. Today's video is actually going to be an update video on a landscape project that I did with a friend about 8 to 9 months ago. And so at that time, I walked the property with him. I did make a video about it, and so I'll make sure that I link that video above. And but we walked the property, and he talked about some of the things that were important to him, and we created a plan for him, and he has now completed the first phase of his plan, which essentially was to improve the curb appeal of his home. And so he really focused on the front of his home, and so he hired out a team to remove the sod, install the plants, place edging around the new landscape beds, and to also install rock. And he's pretty excited about it, and I think he might become a new plant enthusiast. I don't know, but it really looks good, and he's very pleased so far. And so as he continues to move forward with the next few phases of his landscape design, I'll be sure to update those as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.